dan program Mynta sini ada strength and conditioning. Ini kan aku kini MMA fighter nak team regulation. Mak only strength and conditioning ni. The PCR pikwa boleh strength and conditioning gym joki lah boleh mak. Hang ni ngidan kan mak ngidan 10 exercises. Berengkong ni nilai sprint, nilai barbell press jerk, balai tak jump masuk around the world. Masan kettlebell swing, bandrail burpees plus pull-up, banyak plyometric push-up, perang ini dumbbell jump squat, bahkan ini alternate wave no battle rope, dan bashkong ini farmer walk overhead. Bah, dia ada station workout 40 second on and 10 second off. Okay, kita balik ini for 3 round, 4 round, syong hak level ni pun. Mentas ni ini tang 3 round. Ini ibiang, ini fighter. Professional fighter, ini professional fighter. 40 seconds. Yes, come on. Good. Keep going, keep going. Run. 15 seconds to go. Three, 2, 1, stop. 2, 1, go. 40 seconds. Come on. Keep going. 15 seconds to go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. 1, go. Tuck jump. 1, 2, keep going. 40 seconds. Keep going. 20 seconds to go. Come on. Keep going. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Next exercise. Yes, keep going. Come on. Fast. Very good. Last 12 seconds. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next exercise. Come on. Good. Nice. Very good. 30 seconds to go. Last 20 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay, next exercise. Burpees plus pull-up. For 40 seconds. Come on. Good. Last 10 seconds. And relax. Okay, next. Volumetric push-ups. Good, good. Keep going, keep going. Come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds to go. Push, push. Last 10 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, next. One, go. Yes. Come on, come on, keep going. Good. Twenty seconds to go. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next, next. Come on, come on. Thirty seconds to go. Come on. Alternate wave. Bottle loop. Good, good, good. Come on, come on, come on. Nice. Keep going, keep going. Last 15 seconds. Rowing. Faster, faster. Avian, come on. Banyak saja Avian. Back straight. Back straight. Yes, keep going, keep going. Stop. Okay, good job. This is the last exercise of our first round. Okay, ready? Double top. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Lock your elbows. Pin weight, elbows come to straight. Good. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Three, two, one. Relax. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. First round lah. Dap mah. Mendasa around ni lah. Mah. Dap katu core exercise. Mah. Okay. Teman-teman. Teman-teman hadir mengialade biar kami knockout. Kata ketika station training bangala patai PM ne bangi sidang. Kemudian sportly exercises. Kawi exercise berbeda dengan 10 second but pi rest 10 second dan pi switch on kawi exercise. Hadir mengialade belai katu teman-teman ile kane core exercise kade ka side plank walk. Tinggalale kane namar kini kidi professional athlete MMA fighter. Professional MMA fighter tinggalale bi 10 round kuntu in one go. Te hatin kata in sale pat kawi exercise kata ke dead hang pull up kemudian hang baik kuntu with monkey grip hadu bikin fail kata kila hadu menit 2 minit kila ben hang tu tamakane video ang pi tang arkol seconds te tapi so tanat ekum gini video ki pang upload pila men share ki palo jempi kena bikin yo idea ben lhkai ma kene ang patai khnang hak tin kasi khnang ba kiwe ki bom nang man lhkai ru kinsa yo idea kun ben lhkai ki gym jong ki ne dapi ko ben lhkai ban nga kadon ga gym hador moskoi center pila bno ponwan ben lhkai te kane ka exercise ki ong ka dead hang pula pishu hang mi kumte makine ki ki MMA fighter ni le da kane ka monkey grip untuk bakin la ban clinch ban ayu bukan scam ga grip jong ki te de pila ikin video sumba share ki palo jempi ta Khublei shibun ban ngin sai EP hakwe pat ka video shipang powerlifting ne ka kettlebell exercise te Khublei shibun EP pro and see you in the next video.